Virtual Beings News Summary October 2, 2025. OpenAI is introducing Sora 2 with an app that natively distributes AI-generated video and audio featuring avatar cameos, giving synthetic performers direct audience access and establishing feed mechanics and safety approvals around depicting individuals. Particle 6, via its Tilly Norwood project and new AI talent studio, demonstrates how a production company can originate, manage, and monetize digital human performers while interfacing with labor stakeholders such as SAG-AFTRA on policy and attribution, together illustrating a production-to-distribution pipeline for virtual actors. NVIDIA has open-sourced Audio 2 Face, enabling audio-driven facial animation for avatars and digital humans to be integrated more widely in creator pipelines, lowering barriers for studios and independent developers to produce synchronized, expressive virtual beings across real-time and offline contexts. Generative AI workflows in fashion now include deploying fully digital avatars in place of human models and algorithmically modifying model features for campaigns, signaling an operational use of virtual humans in creative production and e-commerce visuals. Digital content creation more broadly is supported by emerging interactive content platforms such as Moonlake AI, which target real-time, responsive media that synthetic spokespeople and brand avatars can inhabit. Avatar-centric iGaming environments emphasize identity, social grouping, and persistent presence through digital personas in lounges and clubs, reinforcing the avatar as the primary interface for participation and community formation across networked play spaces. Hololive production appears through TikTok clips of VTubers Inugami Korone, Momosuzu Nene, and Ninome Inanis, demonstrating real-time avatar performance and short-form distribution built on motion capture, facial tracking, and live streaming workflows that convert character IP into social reach and fan engagement. MIRAI is presented on X as a named virtual human used for narrative demonstrations of AI-driven relationships, indicating character-centric storytelling where dialogue and behavior are generated to sustain audience attention around a branded persona. Humanify, framed in a YouTube review as a virtual human video generator app, fits here as a production utility for entertainment clips featuring avatar presenters and spokescharacters. Roblox is highlighted through a developer forum thread about inconsistent lighting between R15 and R6 avatars, underscoring engine and tooling considerations that directly affect user-generated avatars and in-game identity. Red Dead Redemption 2 is referenced via Reddit discussion about NPC behavior, while Minecraft appears through a Feed the Beast post on a human NPC/companions mod, and Garry's mod is shown hosting Five Nights at Freddy's NPCs in a gameplay clip. Together these illustrate non-player characters as core virtual beings with AI behavior, pathing, and mod-driven customization used for immersion, assistance, and content creation across multiple game engines. Neopets is cited through a new Avatar Alert community update from the Neopets team, where collectible profile avatars function as identity artifacts that reward progression and encourage long-term engagement within a game-based virtual community. NavTalk.AI is presented via a real-time digital human API demo with multilingual, low-latency lip sync and responsive speech, aligning to enterprise use cases like customer support agents, guided sales assistants, and live presenters where audio-visual sync and fast response are required. Fab hosts a Blender Meta Human Groom Starter Plus Hair Cards package that supports production hair workflows for digital humans within Blender and Meta Human pipelines, serving studios and independent creators building realistic virtual characters for advertising, training, and media content. Humanify, as reviewed on YouTube, extends enterprise and prosumer pipelines by providing templated virtual human video generation suitable for marketing explainers, onboarding, and knowledge modules. Seoul Metropolitan Government deployed a digital human AI Mayor Oh Se-hoon as a ceremonial speaker to articulate policy themes at Smart Life Week, while the Ayuntamiento de Huelva launched a Humano Digital to route inbound citizen calls, and the Yangtze River Delta Civil Affairs System introduced Su Shaosh for knowledge answers, assistive operations, analytics support, and public briefings. Together these cases show municipal and regional authorities using virtual humans for public communication, frontline service triage, and back-office augmentation, with Seoul Metropolitan Government, Ayuntamiento de Huelva, and the Yangtze River Delta Civil Affairs Authority each focusing on distinct touchpoints but sharing the goal of scalable, human-like interfaces. Galaxy Corporation formalized talent acquisition for synthetic performers through a global virtual AI audition in Osaka where candidates compete through virtual characters and are evaluated on skill rather than appearance. Zhejiang Satellite TV positioned Gu Xiaoyu as a broadcast-grade virtual human for a mid-autumn gala performance. and OpenAI advanced distribution for AI-native creators via a Sora-powered short video app that supports realistic virtual likeness cameos. Taken together, Galaxy Corporation, Zhejiang Satellite TV, and OpenAI illustrate an end-to-end entertainment value chain covering recruitment, programming, and platform distribution for virtual performers. Bangyan Technology's MIRAI demonstrated a real plus digital human co-host workflow in Alibaba Cloud's live commerce environment at the Apsara conference to reduce operational friction and scale content output, and Keyiyun emphasized quantum-safe, certified infrastructure and a co-built lab with Huawei and Tencent for metaverse-style digital human live broadcasting. These initiatives show Bangyan Technology, MIRAI, Alibaba Cloud, Keyiyun, Huawei, and Tencent converging on secure, high-throughput avatar production and commerce presentation layers without duplicating roles across the stack. JD.com linked shopping, companionship, and personalization through Jingxi, the universal digital human assistant Ta, and Joy Inside, supported by features such as soul matching and an AI clone warehouse that creates photo and voice-conditioned digital doubles. A consumer feature described AI companions embedded in TVs and social contexts with deliberate imperfections to enhance relatability. Microsoft extended productivity UX with Copilot portraits, animated avatars built on VESA 1-style talking face models and age-gated usage. Collectively, JD.com, Microsoft, and the described TV embedded companion implementations reflect a spectrum from retail assistants to personal doubles that maintain identity control and human-like interaction patterns. A tourism expo combined controller-based exploration of the Palace Museum's Yangtze Hall, a Lu Sanjay digital human guiding tours of Guangxi, and holographic travel photography, demonstrating heritage interpretation through virtual guides and volumetric capture. These deployments show cultural institutions and regional tourism bodies using digital humans to increase accessibility and narrative depth, without naming new commercial vendors beyond the institutions themselves. NEC's induction ceremony greeting by an AI executive double demonstrated scalable internal communications, while YuanGuang Software packaged AI digital doubles with our remote collaboration for industrial workflows. These examples show NEC and YuanGuang Software applying identity-anchored avatars for repeatable messaging and spatial collaboration in professional settings. Urban New Areas Beibei demonstrates continuous access, AI-mediated government services via a click-to-enter digital human on the district portal. Shenyang's Heiping district integrates a digital human within a news plus governance plus services plus AI framework to field citizen questions. Jiangsu's Civil Affairs Su Xiaosh consolidates intelligent Q&A, assistance, analysis, and data speaking for case handling and public contact. Wuxi's Taihui Police embeds a digital human to drive zero-paper, high-frequency case processing. Qingdao extends service to the streets with AI digital humans at smart bus shelters providing transit information. Collectively, these deployments illustrate a governance stack that uses digital humans as the front-end interface for information retrieval, triage, and standardized service delivery, spanning portals, district platforms, civil affairs operations, policing workflows, and urban mobility infrastructure. Yangtze Broadcasting Corporation's showcase of the digital human Su Yi at the Nanjing Audiovisual Expo highlights live, fluent, dialogic performance in a broadcast-grade environment under the auspices of the provincial regulator. The Xiao Miaoyue initiative extends a mascot into an AI digital human application, bridging, branding, and interaction at events. In Changqing's Yuzhong Commercial District, digital human guide systems accompany visitors through heritage alleyways, merging place-based storytelling with smart navigation. Together, these cases situate digital humans as programmable performers, branded mascots, and guided experience hosts across expo stages, event halls, and urban cultural corridors. Keyiyun positions its fourth-generation digital human live streaming system as a production infrastructure for e-commerce and brand communications, emphasizing high-fidelity human likeness, biological-level restoration, and robust environment adaptation, scene self-adaptation, to stabilize multi-scene, on-brand performances. This indicates a maturing vendor ecosystem where digital humans are anchored as studio-grade assets for continuous, scalable commercial content generation and conversion. The ethical landscape of virtual influencers in service industries. Implications for social, economic, and environmental concerns. Rasaula, Trincini, Yousaf, Amin, 2025. Analyses how virtual influencers reshape influencer marketing within service industries by introducing opportunities for new forms of engagement while surfacing ethical risks across social, economic, and environmental dimensions. It frames the rise of virtual influencers as a structural shift that demands scrutiny of fairness, transparency, responsibility, and broader sustainability implications, and it positions service sector deployments as a focal context where these opportunities and challenges converge. 3D Face. Synthesizing and editing holistic 3D facial animation presents a fully convolutional speech-driven diffusion model that generates diverse, holistic 3D facial animations of arbitrary length by leveraging Vizim-level diversity, overcoming common limits in sequence length and motion variety. It introduces sparsely guided diffusion for head motion synthesis, enabling precise intra-sequence control and editing that standard diffusion models typically ignore, and demonstrates explicit 3D facial animation editing, seamless motion interpolation, keyframing, and personalization, bridging procedural and learning-based methods for editable, controllable digital human and avatar performance. CharGen. Fast and fluent portrait modification enables rapid, interactive character image editing through attribute-specific concept sliders that isolate and continuously manipulate facial attributes, integrates the stream diffusion sampling pipeline to achieve approximately 2 to 4-fold faster edit turnaround for more responsive workflows, and adds a lightweight repair step that restores high-frequency detail lost during accelerated sampling, maintaining structural consistency and improving visual fidelity for creators working on avatars, synthetic characters, and digital human portraits. To make sure you never miss a new video and to help us reach more great viewers like you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon under the subscribe tab for notification.